Very happy to see you, and we are so blessed to have you, sir.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. It's my pleasure
Yes,
to
sir.
participate.
Thank you.
It's a good
Yeah.
one to be part of this great book launch
Thank you
that
so
is kind
much.
global perspective in also educating and informing young graduates on
Yeah.
It's quite elaborate. Hope this Zoom meeting is on record.
Yes, yes. Good morning. This morning. How are you doing, sir? Dr. Miss Takuri, how are you doing this morning, ma? All the way from India, yeah? All the way from United Arab Emirates, all the way from UK, all the way from US, and in Nigeria and all over the world. As our guest speakers, who graciously accepted to speak to this topic, the topic of innovating global sustainability, looking from the perspective of the higher education and the career development and lifestyle. We can even innovate sustainability and make our world a better place through these three elements. The background to this learning team is to share experience and also educate the world of how the education and also the career and also the lifestyle that we are choosing or other people that are coming up, the next generation we choose can impact or can inspire global sustainability. That is the perspective. And luckily, I wrote a book that actually dealt with the three components of what I tag as innovating global sustainability, education, career, and lifestyle. Once again, very powerfully to this very event. And thank you so much for coming on board. Let's take the chairman's opening speech or remarks from Professor Esir Ali Sahad Mohammed. So, Professor.
Utmost pleasure and excitement to welcome each and every one of you to this remarkable event. The release of the Success Compass 3-in-1 Guide to Achieving Success in Higher Education, Career, and Life. I cannot express enough gratitude for your presence here today. We all strive for success, regardless of our background or inspiration. Some may have clear vision of what success initial, while others may face difficulties defining. The book serves as a comprehensive guide for those seeking to navigate through the curricular areas of higher education, career, and life itself. We understand that higher education, career, advancement, and personal growth may present daunting challenges. However, with determination and a solid plan, one can achieve their desired outcomes in these areas. The authors of this book have expertly combined their experience and insights to create a practical guide that equips readers with the necessary tools and strategies to transform their aspiration into reality. What set the Success Compass apart from other self-help books is its real life experiences and practical insights. It serves as a trustworthy companion for the readers, enabling them to navigate through challenges and obstacles they may encounter on their path to success. Whether you are a student or professional or individual striving to enhance your overall quality of life, this book will provide the guidance you need to achieve your goals. The authors have put their heart and soul into creating a powerful tool that will inspire and empower readers. We hope that you will find this book to be a valuable resource, one that ignites the flame of inspiration within you and propels you towards success. Let me give you a sneak peek into the book's contents. I will start with chapter 10, discuss how to create an effective resume and cover letter, while chapter 11 explores the interviewing and negotiation jobs offers. For those looking to start their own business, chapter 12 provides guidance and chapter 13 offers valuable insights into climbing the corporate ladder. Furthermore, the success campus also delves into personal relationships and work-life balance. Chapter 16 and 17 address cultivating healthy relationships and maintaining a harmonious work life, respectively. Additionally, chapter 20 explores the profound impact of community service and emphasizing the importance of giving back to society. The book also covers chapters on personal finance and budgeting, mentorship, discovering and pursuing one's passions, and establishing a plan. Each chapter provides valuable wisdom, actionable advice, and practical steps to help readers navigate the diverse facets of their lives. Welcome, dear friends. As we start this exciting journey of knowledge together, I am thrilled to invite you to delve into the insightful pages of the book and uncover the gems of wisdom to help it helps let us engage with the author's perspectives and reflects on our own experiences.